Put it in vinegar and see how it works. Prepare a tall container and take a mosquito coil, which repels insects with its intense smell. Break it into smaller pieces so it releases its properties faster. Then pour in a little vinegar, which acts as a disinfectant and helps neutralize odors. Add a bit of alcohol, which enhances the mixture's effect and helps spread the smell through the air more quickly. Finally, add a bit of fragrance liquid, such as air freshener or fabric softener, which will give a pleasant aroma and mask the strong smell of the mixture. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle and transfer the finished mixture into it. Now you can spray areas in the house, especially in the kitchen where insects often appear. In the garden, spray the areas around the entrance, the terrace, or places where you spend time to create a fragrant barrier for mosquitoes. You can also use it at doors and windows to limit the entry of insects into the house. This is an effective homemade solution for mosquitoes. Tired of silverfish running around your bathroom? Pour this onto a piece of paper, and they won't show up there anymore. Place the paper where the insects usually gather. The silverfish will come to it on their own, and soon they'll stop being a problem in your home. All thanks to honey, which lures them in with its scent. This is a method for dealing with terribly stinky bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted insects. These bugs, called mealybugs, are dangerous pests for plants. They are known for the unpleasant smell they release when threatened or crushed. I'll show you a mixture that will save your flowers. First, take a jug. Then pour in 250 milliliters of water. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar to the jug with water. Now, you need dishwashing liquid, so add 1 tablespoon to the jug. Then, add spices to the mixture, such as garlic, cinnamon, and paprika. Gradually add 1 teaspoon of each to the jug and stir everything well. Strain the mixture into another jug. This mixture is your ready-made solution for stinky insects. Water your plants with it, and you won't see any more bugs in your home. Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively, without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1 1/4 cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches. Pour hot water over a roll of toilet paper. It will turn into something truly amazing. Once the paper is fully soaked, gently remove the cardboard tube from the center. Then squeeze out the excess water, just enough so the mass stays moist. Tear pieces of the paper into a glass container to create a soft, absorbent layer at the bottom. Now take some coffee, either ground or instant. Its strong scent works as a natural repellent. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of coffee onto the paper. The next ingredient is something you definitely have at home. Cinnamon works as a natural repellent too, and it's especially effective in this mix. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now it's time for rubbing alcohol. It acts instantly and is a key ingredient. Pour 1 tablespoon into the mix. Add a bit of toothpaste, preferably minty. It contains fluoride and menthol, which are irritating to pests. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands so all the ingredients combine well. Cut a small piece of aluminum foil. Form the mixture into small balls and wrap each one in foil, leaving a bit exposed. Place the balls wherever you see ants, spiders, or cockroaches. This mixture repels all kinds of pests, fast and effectively. And the best part, you already have everything you need at home. Pour it on a newspaper and leave it in the bathroom. Silverfish will disappear overnight. With this simple trick, you can get rid of them for good. Use this trap regularly, and you won't see silverfish again. If you've tried different methods without success, it's time for a simple solution. These pests are a nightmare in many homes, especially in apartment buildings. They move between rooms through tiny cracks and are most commonly found in bathrooms. That's why keeping your bathroom clean and dry is crucial. Silverfish thrive in darkness, making bathrooms the perfect environment for them. While they don't bite or spread diseases, they can damage carpets, furniture, and even wallpaper if they spread beyond the bathroom. They feed on starches and carbohydrates, love simple sugars, and can even digest cellulose. This is why they're attracted to toilet paper stored in bathrooms. Tiny shreds of it are enough to keep them alive. While sprays can repel them, a homemade trap is much easier. Take a newspaper and pour honey on it. Silverfish won't resist this treat. The sticky honey will trap them, making it impossible for them to escape. For even better results, dampen the entire newspaper before adding the honey. Silverfish love moisture, and this will make the trap even more effective. Just remember to keep the bathroom clean so that the honey-covered paper is their only food option. Use this trap regularly, and you'll never see silverfish again. Dip a twig in it and spray the bathroom. The silverfish will disappear as if by magic wand after just one night. It's a home remedy for small bugs that appear out of nowhere in the bathroom. These insects don't have wings. You can most often find them in the bathroom, especially at night. They feed on scraps left in bathrooms. It's moist enough there for them to live and reproduce. Silverfish aren't harmful, they don't bite, and they don't carry any diseases. However, they're not welcome and disgust many people, but you don't have to buy expensive and toxic silverfish killers. Just make a homemade spray to get rid of these bugs from the bathroom once and for all. The corners and nooks sprayed with it will be an impassable barrier. Such a spray will repel them. They won't show up in the bathroom anymore. Pour vinegar into a pot and heat it. Most insects can't stand the smell of vinegar. They avoid it like the plague. Put a sprig of rosemary in the vinegar. The scent of rosemary repels insects. It also works on silverfish. Add a few drops of lavender oil to the mixture. Such a remedy won't kill the silverfish, but it will effectively repel them. It's completely safe. You can also use it in the kitchen. Its scent will dissipate. So use such a spray every few days. You'll quickly get rid of the silverfish. This is a way to deal with bugs in the bathroom. Almost everyone has seen silverfish in the bathroom. I'll show you what to use to get rid of these unwanted pests. Start by preparing a measuring jug. Add 1 cup of water, then pour in a bit of alcohol. Add 1 tablespoon of disinfectant or denatured alcohol. Finally, add a few cloves. For this trick, you'll also need a plastic bottle. Take an empty bottle and cut it in half. Then make a hole in the bottle cap. Pour the prepared mixture into the bottom part of the bottle. Now close it the way I do. Then insert a few long toothpicks into the hole in the cap. This mixture works as a ready solution for silverfish. Place it where moisture tends to build up, because that's where silverfish appear most often. This method helps repel silverfish from the area. Remember to replace the mixture regularly to keep it effective. Soak cotton pads and place them under the bathroom trash can. Silverfish will leave your bathroom for good, without using poisons or traps. Silverfish are insects that dislike light and feed mainly at night. They don't bite or carry any diseases, so they're not a health threat to humans. However, many people still find them unpleasant. Don't leave damp towels on the bathroom floor, as moisture is something silverfish love. That's why you should also always leave the door slightly open after a bath or shower. Silverfish avoid citrus scents and also dislike the smell of cinnamon or rosemary. Lavender repels them too. But you don't need to use these products all around your bathroom. Take a few cotton pads from the container and prepare some essential oils. Simply soak a cotton pad with your chosen oil. Rosemary or lavender work well. And then place it under the bathroom trash can. The scent of the oils will keep silverfish away. You can also leave a pad near the washing machine. If you add essential oils to warm water in a bucket and wash the bathroom floor tiles with it, the effect will be even better. This will discourage silverfish from visiting your bathroom.